Okay, here's in your garage. You got 2 plugs on this wall.
So they still got to put all the breakers and stuff in.
Go.
So you got all your insulation already up there. And then your ducts for your AC.
Through the garage door into the home. Straight across to the laundry room. So we'll go there first. You can see how we got all this stuff treated here. This is for your termite treatment. And Dave will correct me if I'm wrong. It's nice to have a video of this stuff, you know. Because once that wall goes up, you never know. This is probably where your AC is going to go, it looks like. Bedroom in here. That must be the bathroom closure over there, huh? That plastic drop-in. Probably.
I think on the back side of the master bathroom.
Yeah. Closet. Go straight across to your other 2 bedrooms and your front door. Wiring. First bathroom. Bedroom number 2, which we've already been in 3 across the hall.
That bedroom?
On the left here?
Yeah, if you go to the left, between the garage and the bedroom there, these wires that are coming down, right here. These pools are going to be for the pest control also. So
Okay.
For the in-wall system,
Okay.
they'll run through the whole
So that's what all
house.
the blue ones are?
Yeah.
Okay.
So once they activate it, there will be a place for them to pump it.
Pump it.
So they can maintain it.
That's nice. Okay.
Yes, almost every new construction has it now.
Gotcha.
You see it goes through the attic, it's going down the wall over there, and
Okay.
the kitchen. So it's going all through the house.
So here's your kitchen. It looks like your pantry. Drywall stacks. This is the framing for your island. Walk through. Go straight into your living room area here. Put your back. And then give you a scan. There's your master bedroom over there where David's at. That's over to your kitchen. panned out pretty crazy, or?
Everything's
Good, good. I was checking for aiming, Jay, and he's checking the plumbing, make sure everything looks like it's intact and hooked up right. Checking all the pictures for you, so you're good. Between the video and the pictures, you should have a lot of information. Still here in the master. Okay. Into your master bath. And the shower in there. This will be where your double sink is. Looks like a closet here. A large walk-in closet here. And the restroom. Let me take you outside. Show you what we got outside. Nice view of the lake. Nice size yard. Looks like you can put a fence if you want to. How they have the one over there, the little black fence around the lake. It's nice to have a little space between these homes. Okay, Jay, that's the walkthrough for you. Just make sure you ask any questions. I can come back out here and take more video. Or if you have any questions about this, we'll get out here and take a look, see what we can do. Talk to you later.